This is a 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed manual transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, an intercooled turbocharger, an aluminum hood, a limited-slip rear differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 36,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.